When I was still a kid, I've always wanted to be an artist, but my frustration was I'm not very good at illustrating. So even when I started as a designer, my illustrations weren't really good. Like up until now, I don't consider them like really good drawings, but I have accepted that my drawings are used for me to communicate my design so that I can communicate it to my clients or to anyone that I need to explain my designs to. Like, I'm not the type to join a lot of competitions, pero when I saw the post, and I was actually very interested to visit the exhibit of Sir Steve De Leon, and then when I looked into the Facebook post, it was very interesting. So I figured that maybe this is a way for me to go closer to become an artist and to become a curator soon. The experience has been very eye-opening, especially when we interacted with the mentors. I learned a lot on how to like propose an artwork. I feel that they're very supportive and they always want to give out really constructive suggestions for you to like improve your art, like construction techniques in the best way that, like it can help us mentees. My piece is entitled Maria Cacao. It is an exploration on the modern uses of folklores. I'm thinking on how folklores would be used today. It was challenging for me to decide because I'm fashion-based, but I've decided to create a sculpture instead. And like it's higher than, like it's taller than me. So that was one of the most challenging things. Well, the mentorship program has really helped me to gain the confidence to like put my work out there. I think it has given me more confidence to like share my work, like to share the things that I've been hiding for quite some time. I think I was just like enjoying the process in creating the work because I've always enjoyed creating art. Hi, I'm Mikhail Achas, one of the mentees for the Kasaulogan Program of the Kabilin Center.